Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group, Bradley Century 21. Bringing to you some content on can you sell in the winter. It's also going to be a blog post on our website, and we're going to send out information on this in our weekly email blast. So we all think we know that spring and summer are the best times to sell a home. While it's true that many buyers do plan their new home purchases during the warmer months, even sometimes planning out a move to coordinate with a change in schools for your children. Historical data does indicate that more homes are sold from May to September, which you can see my 20 years of historical data in the IRMLS video. That's also associated and shows that the different inventories and levels in different markets, buyer's market, seller's market, balanced market. Keep in mind that homes sell year-round. Through December, though December and January historically show to be the slowest sales months of the year, they are typically not less than 30% of volume of the busiest 2 months of typically June and July. The real question you want to ask yourself is, when is this move right for me? The answer to can you sell in the winter and fall is a resounding yes, possibly for more money. And here are a few reasons why. One, there's less competition. You're not the only homeowner who's considering taking your home off the market during the holidays. Most don't want the hassle, and most new sellers will decide to wait until the first of the year or even springtime to put their homes up for sale. That's great news for you because you won't have to compete with dozens of other homes just like yours to get buyers' attention. Reduced inventory means more buyers checking out your home, either online or in person. Keep their attention by making sure your home is priced to sell and that your home is in show condition at all the time. Number two, motivated buyers. Anyone who takes time out of their busy holiday schedule to shop for a new home is serious about buying now. Perhaps they are buying a home for tax reasons or are relocating to start a new job in the new year. Maybe they've been looking for months and just haven't found that perfect home yet. Whatever the reason, make it easy for these folks to get a good look at your home by staying flexible with your showing times and be open to negotiate contract terms that work with their schedules. Number three, your home looks great. Emotion plays a huge role in which home a buyer will purchase. And you can capitalize on that by making your home cozy and cheery during the holidays for showings. Tasteful decorations and minimum of clutter will allow buyers to see their own families celebrating the holidays in your home next year. Number four is tax benefits. Many people want to purchase before the new year for tax reasons. Thank you. Please be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and reach out to me with any of your real estate questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.